Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video related to research. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the main challenges that you encounter while writing your dissertation or thesis, and so how you can avoid them and what could be easily done if you want to write your thesis easily and without being felt stressed. Those who are new to my channel, I'm PhD postdoc researcher working in an IT company. I use this platform to share my knowledge and personal experiences in field of research, technology, and how you can explore more of the fun when doing research or doing your PhD. So without wasting time, let's go to today's video. Thesis writing is very tedious task and it requires more focused, more of your energetic kind of personality, and it takes a time to do all your research and again put it down in one format, which is very difficult. But I'm going to give you some tips which you can use it easily and write your thesis. The first thing, that from the day of your research, when you get the admission to your research, or if you're doing masters or PhD, whatever it could be, so if you want to write that particular format of writing, then keep a track of everything. So in short, whatever you're doing for the entire day, just write it in somewhere in one particular notebook. So when you're trying to draft the thesis, it could be easy for you just to refer back these notes and frame it into sentences and words. It will not be that stressful, believe me. In my PhD journey, I have maintained a notebook or a kind of an online Word document where I used to post everyday activity with the dates, like what I have done, what are the experimental work, which of the algorithms I have applied. So it is easy and helpful while you are drafting your thesis. Second thing, don't wait for the last day. Don't wait till your supervisor asks you to write the PhD thesis. Yeah, definitely you have to wait officially for that, but side by side, like the first few chapters which covers introduction, literature survey and explanation about algorithms, yeah, again I'm speaking to my field of expertise, but it could vary, and I think in general it works for all the domains. So just make sure that you write 2 to 3 chapters long before, even though you start writing your actual experimental work. In that scenario, you have already completed half of this thesis when you have to start writing, when your supervisor asks you to start writing thesis officially, then you would have already done half of the journey, and so it saves much of their time. So it would be very helpful and beneficial. So whenever you feel bored with your experimental work, just go to that Word document, write it down, scribble it there, put all your thoughts. And one more thing, make a practice of writing at least for 20 days in entire day. This will improve your writing skills and also keep up the pace of your innovative research writing ideas. Because imagine if you haven't written an article from long time, it would be very difficult to narrow down the topic, to put all your concepts in that particular article or research paper. So I would definitely recommend you, if you are into the field of research, or if you are into the field of like writing papers, definitely 20 minutes without break, whatever comes to your mind, just scribble down. You can also use the different application softwares. In this softwares available, just write it down. The best softwares which I like, which I have used personally, is Overleaf, because it gives you the context and then you don't have to carry your system for that particular thing. You can just keep it online whenever you have time. You can log in with wherever devices you have, and you can just keep writing, adding up the notes to that document. So Overleaf is the best software which I have been using, but I know and I understand Overleaf. To have a knowledge of Overleaf, it takes time, but you can also keep a copy of that, or you can also use other softwares like Microsoft Word, online document. You can easily do that. Google Document, it is easily an online software which is available in every phone. So if you are traveling somewhere, if you are commuting, just put down your thoughts and notes in that. It will be helpful for you. The next important thing I would like to address here is time management. Time management is the entire principle of entire research journey. I think not only in research, it applicable in all of the field. Whomever is watching this video, time management is very important thing that you must take care in your everyday life. Make sure that you read the research papers, you scribble that down, and immediately when you read something and if you try to put it down in your own words, that would be seriously very helpful. You don't have to think much of the words because you already had a glimpse of everything. You can connect the points, you can frame the points in your own way. The next important thing is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, there are n number of tools. I have created n number of paraphrasing videos. I would definitely like you to check. There are so many available in market. Pick up your favorite one and start rephrasing your own sentences. This would be also very helpful while managing your or writing your thesis or managing your research journey. So these are some of my tips which I would like to share you in this video. Hope I have helped you to make your research journey more easy and fun. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.